Hello, welcome to you. Now let us see how to solve the basic economic problem to a larger extent possible, because the scarcity of resources that exists always. We cannot enhance the resources until and unless we discover something or we invent new technology or things like so. So productive capacity can be enhanced, but there is a limit for enhancement of productive capacity. But how do we attain efficiency in order to utilize the existing scarce resources to an optimum extent, where maximum output could be produced at minimum cost? So, it is a combination of productive efficiency and allocative efficiency finally results in economic efficiency, and that is the known solution to the existing economic problem. So, how does a firm attain productive efficiency? It is when its cost is minimum to produce a given level of output. So, average cost, which is of U shaped, at the minimum or at the bottom point of the average cost, the output is produced with minimum expenditure. So, productive efficiency is attained. So, this we can see in the long run under perfect market. So, you should learn the perfect market. I will make a different video for the same, for discussing about different market conditions, so like perfect market, and then imperfect markets like monopoly, oligopoly, duopoly, monopolistic market. So, here in case of perfect market, in the long run both productive efficiency and allocative efficiency could be attained when business firm's marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, that is in equilibrium, that is the point of equilibrium, and when the two another condition is marginal cost curve must intersect marginal revenue curve from below. So, productive efficiency is attained at that point, that is the point of equilibrium, where maximum possible profit can be earned by the business firm, and at the same time minimum cost is incurred by the business firm. So, the business firm attains productive efficiency. And in the long run under perfect market, it is a possibility that productive efficiency is attained, at the same time allocative efficiency. Let us understand what is allocative efficiency. Allocative efficiency is that when all the existing resources are put into their best use, best efforts, so that maximum output is received by the society. Or if we concentrate on microeconomics, from microeconomic point of view, if a business firm gets the output which satisfies the majority. Okay. So, allocative efficiency is that when no wastage is done and what is desired by the society the maximum, and that is produced by the firm. Productive efficiency is where at minimum cost the given level of output is produced, where expenditure of the business firm is the minimum and profit could be the maximum. And allocative efficiency is when a business firm produces not only at minimum cost but also produces what is most desired by the society, which output, which product that satisfies the society the maximum, and the business firm should produce that good or service. So, allocative efficiency is done without wasting the resources. So, the combination of this productive efficiency and allocative efficiency would bring economic efficiency, where the maximum utilization of existing scarce resource is a possibility, and maximum output and economic welfare could be attained. Thank you.